Hey Willers, welcome back to Storm with Jordan YouTube channel. Today we are doing a video on a 1970 Chevy El Camino SS 396. This is going to be an unboxing and a review of the 1970 Chevy El Camino SS 396. Let's start by unboxing the car. Alright, now to get rid of the box. Alright, box has gotten rid of in the trash. Here's some facts about the 1970 Chevy El Camino SS 396. The El Camino is a truck / car that you could buy. I believe they were started in the 1960s making the El Camino. This El Camino is red. It has a 396 V8 under the hood that produces 350 horsepower and 415 foot-pounds of torque. The rims on the El Camino are 5-spoke rims, and they are chrome rims. The doors on this model do open. Let me show you. See, that one opens. And if we flip it around, that one opens as well. This is what it looks like all around with the doors open. I've never done one with the doors open, so this is my first one. There's the front, this side with the doors open. Let me close this one. Back with the door open, and the other side. Unfortunately, the tailgate and the hood does not open. Only the doors do. So I'm going to show you more a better thing up close. A better up close look at the El Camino. See, it has that SS 396. You get what I mean. It has those iconic El Camino taillights from 1970. And I didn't even show you the interior. Let me show you that. Let me open both doors up again. There you go. And it's a good old manual. That's awesome. Let me show you the interior from the other side. From the driver's side, so you can see what that looks like. Wow. Get a better look at those rims. Front rims. The other side of the front rim. The rear rims. Here's a question for you guys. Tell me in the comments, how many cubic inches is the V8 in the 1970 Chevy El Camino SS 396. This particular car does have two black stripes that go along the hood. Yeah, just on the hood. Let me get you a better front view. Those are some awesome lights from 1970. You even got the turn signals right here and right here are the turn signals. That's awesome. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And please share this with your friends. If you guys like this video and want to share it with your friends, because maybe they're car enthusiasts just like myself and you guys as well. But with that being said, this is Yosh Jordan signing off.